Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve 2 power x plus 2 times 3 power 3x by x minus 1 is equals to 9 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with the today's video solution. So first we can write this equation as 2 power x plus 2 times 3 power 3x times x minus 1 is equals to 9. We can write as 3 square. So as we can see here, it's a multiplication with 3 power and 2 power, and on right hand side only terms of 3 power. So we can introduce that. We know that if a has power 0, we can call it as 1. So similarly, if 2 has power 0, so it's equals to 1. 3 has power 0, so it's equals to 1. So we can write it as 2 power 0. Now on comparing, first we'll compare 2 power x plus 2 is equals to 2 power 0. So if the base are equal, their power are also equal. So x plus 2 is equals to 0. So x is equals to minus 2. From this we get the value of x is minus 2. So we'll check with 3 also. So 3 power 3x by x minus 1 is equals to 3 power 2. Again, similarly, if the base are equal, their power are also equal. So 3x divided by x minus 1 is equals to 2. And here we can take in denominator as 1. And after that, we can do the cross multiplication. So here is 3x times 1 is equals to 2 times x minus 1. So 3x is equals to 2x minus 2. So 3x will take my 2x to other side. So minus 2x is equals to minus 2. So x is equals to minus 2. So from both the cases, the value of x is minus 2. That means the value of x, final value is minus 2. I hope it's clear and easy to solve. If you find it useful, please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.